Hi, I am Mandeep Singh Sahni, pursuing second semester of BAJMC at Amity Online. Doing an online course at Amity Online has been a wonderful experience. Initially, before joining the online course, I thought that it would be mostly self-study. However, I am glad that Amity Online offers a learning portal with video tutorials, written material, and live interactive classes. A highly learned faculty makes the information imparted in live interactive classes very easy to understand. For BAJMC course that I am pursuing, Professor Vandana Chandel has made many efforts to make sure that we understand the subject well. We also get printed books of all the subjects. All these multiple modes of study have made learning convenient. All in all, I am proud to be a student of Amity Online.